We're out here at River's Edge getting ready for a big Labor Day weekend to end the summer off right. Hopefully you can come on out with your family and see us. We're going to be running trips every hour starting at 10 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon. We are open all 3 days, so come on out and have a good time this Labor Day weekend.
Come on out to River's Edge, enjoy the wildlife, nice scenery and turtles and river minks and beavers, you see them all.
No. Yeah, you're smart.
Labor Day, especially if it's good weather, that's our last blast of the summer. Doesn't hurt to call and make a reservation or do one online with the Book Now button.